put the keys at.
You lost your fucking key. Oh, in typical Chevy fashion.
Honestly, I thought you were getting the brake pads was also very in your style.
I thought we had the brake pads, okay? It's annoying my clutch hasn't bled yet, so I'll just go straight to the fucking floor. Thank God it's not in gear. Let me make sure. Okay, we're not in gear.
Alright, sweet.
Clutch is on the floor.
Yup. 3, 2, 1, go.
Anything coming out?
Nope, nothing's coming out. Ding dong, the bitch has started.
Well, I guess that was successful.
I don't see anything.
No. Just messing with some things real quick. Anything too weird?
I mean, there's some wetness down here, but it doesn't smell like fuel.
Coolant for some reason, but I don't know why. We'll figure it out in a minute. Let's let this thing bleed. We haven't got out of the woods yet. It started.
Hey, that's step 1.
It's sitting at really lean. Sitting at 2,000 RPMs. I didn't check any of this other shit. There's fuel pressure and shit I got checked. Fuel pressure's at 85. I have no idea what fuel pressure is supposed to be at.
Oil pressure? Your fuel pressure should be about 45.